if you want to stay competitive, you need to work the way the world's leading companies do today. This free tutorial shows you the exact process used by studios working with top-tier clients. What you see on screen is the result we achieved after this tutorial. If you haven't downloaded a VizMaker yet, you can download it here under this link. Less cost, more speed, real results. Ready to jump in? Let's get started. See what's waiting for you in this course.
Welcome to our new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you, this will be a quite interesting and quite impressive tutorial because we will learn how to create different weather, how to create different moods on your images from this to this, and then we will try to make some more and more advanced details of our exterior vibe and the main. This render was made by our student, Szymon Figura, and we will use it as a main reference file. And why are you here? Because we made an amazing video and I want to learn you, I want to teach you how to do exactly the same. So I'm simply taking your 22 seconds, just check the video. So in this tutorial, in this tutorial block, we'll discuss exactly how to create this animation, how to create those different interior moods, and how we can create close-ups. And as you see, you will find some patterns, how exactly it is created. Yeah, like we're jumping from this to this, and the result will be a lot of short videos, which you can connect in any video editor and use it as your promotion, as your marketing stuff, or as your presentation to your portfolio. So yeah, that's all for our intro video, and see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye!